Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a sliding reel using an easy method. First, gather your basic crafting tools such as a ruler, a sharp craft knife, and a protective cutting mat. Next, select your paper or cardstock. A weight of at least 65 pounds works best for durability. Finally, print your chosen design elements, making sure to leave adequate margins for the sliding track. Now, let's create the sliding track. Measure and mark 2 parallel lines on your base piece, about 1/4 of an inch apart, where your slider will move. Using your craft knife, carefully cut along these lines to form the track. For added durability and a smoother slide, reinforce the edges of your track with a thin strip of clear adhesive tape. Next, prepare your sliding element. This piece should be slightly narrower than your track opening, perhaps 1/8 of an inch smaller, to move freely. Attach a small tab or pull mechanism to one end of this slider piece. Then, carefully thread the slider through the track from the back, securing it with a strong, thin adhesive to your main design. Finally, test your sliding reel to ensure the mechanism moves smoothly without catching. Make any necessary adjustments to the track or slider for optimal performance. You can now add any final decorative elements or embellishments to personalize your creation. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.